Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make a half granny square. Now why would you need a half granny square? The main reason is when you're placing full granny squares diagonally, you might need a little space to fill in. This will let you have straight edges, which is great for using on bags and clothing. So let's get started. We're going to start with a chain 3, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet into that very first chain. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 and 2. So the chains work as a double crochet, so you essentially have 3 double crochet. We're now going to do the point, which is chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do 3 double crochet back into that first chain again. So 1, 2 and 3. There's the beginning of our triangle. If you put that down, that's going to be our point there. Second row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then into that base we're going to do 2 double crochet. There's our first cluster. Our next cluster is going to be in the chain 2 space, so that will be 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We now need to do the point, so chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to do another cluster right up the top again, so into the same chain 2 space. So that's 3 double crochets in each cluster. You can see the top. Now for our last cluster, it's going to go into the third chain at the very end. And that'll be 3 double crochets. And there is our row 2. If you straighten it out a little bit. Turn and let's do row 3, chain 3, 2 double crochets into the base, that's our first cluster. We now have a gap on the side, so 3 double crochet into that gap. And we have the peak, that will be 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So there's the first cluster, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Back to the side, 3 double crochet, and very last cluster is 3 double crochet into the end, chain 3. There we go, 3 rows, and just continue up. Each row will have an extra gap on the side, so in this next row you're going to have 2 gaps on each side, but the top will always be the same with 3, chain 2 and 3. Here's our crochet triangle in progress. This has 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each row you add on will have 2 extra clusters, one on each side.